Hey there everybody, I'm getting ready to move this 5-foot storage shed over a little bit so that way I can do some other stuff in my garden over here, and I want to get this on film just in case I mess it up and everything falls down on me. But I don't want to take this thing apart for the simple fact that it is a pain in the butt to get all the pieces and parts together without any instructions. It's a very old storage shed, so I'm going to hook it up, move it over. Now I could go and just put a come along on it, but instead I'm going to take it to power. What I have right here is a Pro Pull utility winch. Goes up to 6,000 pounds rolling. That means it'll pull something rolling about 6,000 pounds, but it'll take 1,200 pounds of pull. This thing's probably about 400 pounds, if that, maybe 3. Too much for me to push. Just a pain in the butt if I had somebody help me lift it and move it. First I went and fairly leveled this area where I'm going to be pulling it up to, and packed it down with a nice little ground pounder. That way, even if it settles a little bit, it won't be too bad. I don't expect it to settle. This is not exactly level. Don't really care, it's just a storage shed. But I'm going to take the power, pull it up, and fill it back up again. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some pick points in here. So I got some 550 paracord. I'm going to do multiple ones on here, that way it'll distribute the load a little bit. And I just need to drill through this plastic. And stick my paracord through. And tie a little bow in. Do this a couple more times. All right, now that I got that all done, go and set up my winch. So the nice thing about this winch here is it's set up to actually go on your ball. So I'm going to put it on like so. Loosen up the side here. Pull out as much as I need. Time to hook up the winch. That's a battery operated winch. Couple stickers out here. Hopefully I have enough juice in this battery here to work. Did charge it for the past hour or so. Oh, there it goes. Tighten down the choke a little bit. All right. Alrighty, one storage shed moved. So all I need to do now is sweep out the inside. I'm going to be throwing some shelves in here and refill it up with some gardening supplies. Alright, well, that was a little bit of a chore. I've been meaning to do that for quite a while. This is a nice little winch to have around. I'm going to leave a link to one just like it in the descriptions down below. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hey, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Have a great day.